So say for example, if the first time you applied, your visa was, your application was, na-refuse siya. So there are 3 things na pwede mong gawin. You can you can apply for reconsideration. The second one is mag-appeal, mag-file ka ng appeal. The third one is reapply. Reapply talaga. Yung naman, yung letter of reconsideration, say for example na you have it in you na parang feeling mo ba na all the documents that I have submitted kay halimbawa, lahat ng documents, feeling mo lahat is correct, true, and fact, and tama. Tapos, feeling mo na nasipyat si officer dahil sa nagmamadali, iwan ko lang, or within 2 days na may response na agad, na nag-refuse ka agad. Hindi yung na-verify ng todo ba? Na-verify ng todo. So, you can submit a letter of reconsideration and then i-attach mo yung proof na to support your request, and then send through with web form. Mag-web form ka, tapos mag-web form ka, because sometimes po yung letter of reconsideration, it doesn't work always, so that's why papunta ka talaga dun sa reapplication, but you can try.